In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on an existing Wix website. Whether you're looking to build a dedicated page to promote a product, service, or event, Wix offers a user-friendly platform that's perfect for creating visually appealing landing pages. Let's dive in and take a step-by-step look at how you can get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. With your Wix account created and your website selected, you're just a few clicks away from bringing your landing page to life. In the website editor, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find various menu options. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side and click on Pages and Menu. This section contains all the structural components of your website, including existing pages and the navigation menu. It's a crucial part of managing your site's layout and structure. Next, click on the Add Page button. This step brings us to the creation phase, where we start adding new content to our site. Wix provides a variety of templates, but today we are focusing on creating a landing page. Upon clicking, a menu will appear. Locate and click on Landing Page from the options. This choice will give you a selection of professionally designed templates tailored specifically for landing pages, ensuring you get the most effective design for your needs. Once you've chosen a landing page template that suits your vision, click on Add Page. This step will integrate your selected template into your website, ready to be customized with your unique content, branding, and images. After adding the page, it's time to rename it. Click on the New Page, typically listed as New Page by default, and give it a name that reflects its purpose, like Promo Page or Event Registration. Then click on Done to save your changes. With your page named, navigate to the three dots next to the page name and click on them. This is where you'll find additional settings for your page. Click on Settings, then Layout. At this stage, you can choose to have no header and footer, which is typical for landing pages to provide a more focused user experience. Selecting no header and footer keeps visitors centered on the primary content without distractions. Now, it's time to focus on the menu. Click on Add Menu Item, then proceed to click on New Page followed by Landing Page. This sequence ensures that your new landing page is easily accessible from your site's menu. Finally, choose your landing page from the template options and click Add Page. This will prompt you to type in the name of your landing page again for a final verification and setup. Finish by clicking Done. And there you have it, a fully integrated, beautiful landing page on your existing Wix website, ready to engage visitors and drive conversions. Thanks for watching and happy creating.